Hey guys, in this video I'm going to unbox the Apple Pencil first generation after over 6 years of release. So this one was released in 2015 and you still can purchase this from Apple Store for around $100 US. Now there is a tab on the side here that we can open. So it's got a grab here that we need to first open up the grabbing first. So let me just cut out the grabbing. Okay, so I'm just going to try to open this one here. Alright. So we now remove the plastic. And there's a tab on the side here we can pull out. And then there is there's a bunch of guides in here. There's a few pieces of papers. There's also a replacement tips that we can replace it with. And then there's also a charger adapters in here. Okay, so let's have a look at the Apple Pencil. There's also a tab in here that we can hold to pull up the pencils. Now this Apple Pencil will be compatible with iPad Air 3rd generation, iPad Mini 5th generation, iPad 6, 7th, 8th generations, iPad Pro 12.9 inch, 1st and 2nd generations, and iPad Pro 10.5 inch and iPad Pro 9.7 inch. Now if you have any newer model, you will need to buy the Apple Pencil Generation 2, otherwise it would not work. Now the tip is very small, so that looks like a very similar to a pencil, the actual pencil, so that when you write on iPad, you can also use the pressure, and the harder you press on the iPad, the bigger the lines is. So let's take a look at how this works on the iPad later on. Now at the back here there is a cap that you can pull out. So pull out the caps will be a lightning ports right here that allow you to plug directly into the iPad to charge it up right here. Okay, so the cap here there is also a magnet, so when you put it close to the charging lightning connector, it will suck in the cap like this. So you can see there is some kind of like a magnet, and when you pull out the cap, you need to force it a little bit to remove the cap. And as you can see here, there is the adapter. So what you do is you plug your Apple Pencil into this adapter, and with this adapter it will connect to your charger cable. And you can also replace the tip right here. So just going to get this one out again. So in here there is a tip that you can replace it with this one. And to remove the tip, we just need to twist it like this, and that will allow you to open the tip, and you can then replace it with another one. So it looks very similar, so maybe this is just a replacement. So if this one get damaged, you can replace it with another one, which is really cool. Alright, so that is everything with the Apple Pencil 1st generation. Okay, so let's try to charge it. Alright, so this is how you can just simply plug it in to charge it. I can't see there's any light to indicate that it is charging. Okay, so I have just plugged in the Apple Pencil to the iPad to pair it. You need to pair it first before we can actually use it. Okay, so welcome to Apple Pencil. Battery is low, only 3% remaining, so because it's just come out of the box, so there's no battery left in it. Okay, so we can try to swivel it. And you can see here, let's tap on done, and we can test it on here. Alright, so let's try it out on this iPad, and we can see the different pressure. So let's just draw some kind of shapes, and we can test it out. So you can see the different kind of shapes depending on the pressure that we press. As we press harder, it will get darker, and as we go light, if we don't press it too hard, you can see the pressure is not that tight. So that is the really cool things about this Apple Pencil, is that you'll be able to draw precisely, also with the pressure, on how much you can control the pressure of your pencil. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.